Welcome back. Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche says the Justice Department is not moving forward with its controversial anti-weaponization fund. The nearly $1.8 billion fund has become a major obstacle to the Republican agenda in Congress. It's hit legal roadblocks, too. Lawmakers pressed Blanche, the acting Attorney General, on this during his testimony on Capitol Hill yesterday.
We are not moving forward with the fund, period. The reasons for the fund is something that President Trump talked about for a long time, which is the fact that there were a lot of people in this country who had their government weaponized against them. The reasons for the fund, I think, it remain as important as they were before, but we are not moving forward with the fund.
Not moving forward ever.
Correct.
CBS News White House reporter Aaron Navarro joins us from our D.C. bureau tracking this. Aaron, good morning. What else did Mr. Blanche have to say about this fund? And will it be enough to quell lawmakers' worries? Because while he said the fund is over, he didn't offer to send that in writing.
That's right. And it's the first time and the only time so far from the administration, the Department of Justice, that they are unequivocally saying that this fund is not moving forward. In the statement when this news broke on Monday from the Department of Justice, they just said that they would pause the fund's creation and that they would abide with the court ruling, but would not say what they would do should that court ruling be challenged or lifted. And President Trump, in an interview that was taped yesterday and was released this morning by the New York Post, was asked if he had stopped this fund, and he just replied, quote, "No, the court stopped it." But on the Hill yesterday, Blanche said that it is not moving forward. Take a listen to more of what he said.
We're not moving forward with the anti-weaponization fund.
Okay, but you are moving forward with this second order.
It's not moving forward. There's a settlement. There's a settlement that the IRS entered into with President Trump and others, his family and his companies. As part of that settlement, as is customary in IRS settlements, there's a separate AG order.
Now, that second settlement refers to essentially a ban on the IRS investigating the president and his family. Some Republicans, and you've seen many congressional Republicans push back on this fund, still feel that there could be use for a sort of weaponization fund, especially for those that they believe were wrongly prosecuted during the Biden administration. You saw that from South Carolina Senator Lindsey Graham, who cited the federal tort claims as a way to do so. He said, quote, "Creating a new system that is untested is problematic, but that there is a legal system already in place for people to make claims against the government." The Associate Attorney General replied to that on X saying, quote, "We're on it." And while we're talking about Blanche, I will note in the New York Post interview that was released this morning, President Trump made some news and was asked if Blanche will be the permanent Attorney General. The president responded, quote, "I think he will."
Yeah, someone President Trump trusts, as it was his former personal attorney when he was outside of office. Aaron Navarro with all the details on this from D.C. Aaron, thank you.